and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another makeover video, and today we are going to tackle the bathroom. I've been wanting to do my bathroom for so long, but I've been waiting for certain things to come into my apartment from everywhere that I ordered from, because I didn't just order from Amazon, and they finally came in, so we can finally start. Probably again won't do this all in one day, but I figured it's definitely time to start because I've been living in my apartment for like 4 weeks now, and there is literally nothing done in my room and my bathroom. Actually, that's not true. There's some things done in my room, but like it needs to be like decorated and stuff in my room, and my bathroom just needs to be tackled. So with all that being said, I have, I think, 2 videos up right now. I believe it's my living room transformation and my closet transformation, and then I have my move-in video up and also a week in my apartment that I filmed. So I'll have all of those linked down below. But with that being said, let's start the bathroom, and I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I did so far, which is really just the basics of putting up my shower curtain, and that is literally it. And now in present time, actually start decorating it because I have such cute ideas. It is time to put up my shower curtain. So this is what my bathtub looks like, and it honestly needs a lot of work. I like the structure of it. I already cleaned it, but obviously I need to put the shower curtain on and the shower cover on. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll have to put like all my soap and everything like that. So I have this little plastic cover. This is from Amazon, and this goes inside. And then this one is the one that's actually the decor one. This is more like boho, and I got this from Amazon as well. And then I have these to kind of make it easier to slide the curtain across. I actually never had to do this before because in my other apartment, it was a glass door. So I don't really know how to do this, but I feel like it can't be that hard. The ones that I bought because I can't get them on the rod because the rod doesn't come off the wall. So I have to return these. But thankfully with my actual curtain, it gave me like one of these. So these will work just fine. I think I'm supposed to put it on together and then just put it on. Curtain up. I think it looks really cute. I am a little confused because the shower's on like an arc, but I think it looks cute and very like boho-y. Then I also put this little mat down. This is the stone mat that was going around, I think, like basically everywhere. Basically when you step on it, it dries instantly so that it doesn't mold. I like it so far. It just gets dirty very easily, but it does stay dry. So now the next thing I'm going to do for my bathroom is fill up my little soap container. This is actually from Amazon, and I think it's so cute, and I got essential soap to go with it, and I don't know, I think it's gonna look cute. I'm putting this little candle right here. This candle smells so good. I like literally don't even want to use it because it smells that good. And then I'm going to put my soap little dispenser right next to my toothbrushes. That is actually one of the only things I put out right away because obviously I needed to. But that is all I'm going to do for the bathroom right now because my camera is running out of battery. What a surprise. But I have to go to Target and stuff anyway to get some stuff for the bathroom. So I'll update you guys when I do the next step. It is much later. I said I was going to start my bathroom and then I never did. I was supposed to go out tonight and my friend ended up not being able to go out, so I thought, okay, Sam, tackle the bathroom. So I have Chad here right now. He's going to help me. So I have this little ladder. This is from Amazon. I will have it linked. You'll see better when it's on the wall, but this is going to go above my toilet, and I need Chad's help to actually put that up on the wall. Then I have this little painting, or not painting, like quote, and it says karma, and it's like a bathroom kind of joke. So it says, when you use the last of the toilet paper without replacing it and are the next person to use the bathroom. So that I am going to put in a frame. And then I also have this little thing that I got from Amazon as well. I just thought it was cute, so I'm going to put this little painting up as well. So I'm gonna have him put those on the wall, and then everything else I can do by myself. I just need his help first. I also have some shelves that I might have him put on the wall, but I have to see how it looks first. Chad just put up up this ladder and these two paintings, and then also this. I think it looks really cute. I think now I want to put shelves above this because I think that would look really good. So we have to wait to put the shelves up because the drill battery needs to charge, but I ordered these, and these are the shelves that are adhesive off of Amazon, and I think they take 24 hours to stick to the wall, so I want to put them up now so that tomorrow we can actually decorate. It's just these, there's two of them, and I want to put them directly underneath each other under my shower because I think that it would look really cute. So I'm gonna do that, and they do take 24 hours because this thing says wait 24 hours once the sticker is fully stabilized, and I think that's so it doesn't fall because I've heard a lot of stories about these falling. So I'm gonna listen and we will put these up tomorrow, but I'm gonna put the little strips on the wall now.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. To the groove and the light, the flicker.
Chad just put these little shelves up and then also this toothbrush holder, and now it is time to decorate everything. I do have to go to Anthropologie and Urban Outfitters because I need to find some decorations for my bathroom shelves, but I was sent this and it's a water filter and I'm so excited. So this is what the box looks like. I am so excited because if you don't know, this is a shower head that filters out all of the chemicals that my current shower head has, and the shower head that I now have is so exciting because basically, like I said, it filters out all the bad chemicals, which promotes good hair health and it helps your skin. So I'm so excited to try this out. I've heard such good reviews about it, and when they sent this to me, I literally freaked out. So thank you so much. Let's put this up and see the wonders it does. I had a very busy day yesterday. I actually went out to brunch with my friend, and then I helped Chad do things in his dorm. So it has been a full 24 hours actually past that, and I can finally put these up without being scared that they're gonna fall. So I'm gonna put these up now and put all the cute little soaps and everything that I got on these and see how it looks. I just put all of my soaps up. So I did 2 things of shampoo because this is the one that my hairdresser gave me, so I only use that on certain days, and then I use this shampoo when I'm not using my other one. I have my body scrub, my shaving cream, and then also my soap, and then I also have my bar of soap down there, and then just my razor, and I think that looks kind of cute. Now I wanted to put all of my cute skincare products up here, so I think I'm going to do that next because I have a lot of them and I think it would look cute there. So I just put all of my hair and skincare products up here. So this top shelf is hair, and then I have some body cream and then some more hair stuff, and then I'm going to put some more skin stuff up there once it comes in because I had to order it from Sephora, but I think that looks pretty cute. Next, I bought these little towels from Etsy, and I think they are so cute. I actually got this idea from Fernanda Ramirez. I saw it in her bathroom and I was like, oh my gosh, that's so cute. So I just kind of typed in towels on Etsy and these ones popped up, and I thought it was amazing. So it's these little like decor towels that I want to put on my rack right here. Obviously I'm not going to use them, they're more just for decoration, and then I'll have my bath towels in the actual closet. But I think these are so cute, so let's put them up. This is what it looks like. I'm not sure if I necessarily love the way that it's sitting on the rod, but I do like the towel, so I might fix that, but it looks really cute, especially underneath my little shelves. Next, I have this extra towel, and this one I wanted to be used as a hand towel. For some reason, my apartment didn't give me anything other than this rack to put my towels up, and I wanted to have something to put my hand towel up on and also to dry my shower towel. So I bought these little command hooks, and I'm going to use them because I did originally buy gold little hooks that you can put into the wall, but I wanted to put them on the door, and Chad told me that obviously I wasn't thinking when I bought these, and you can't put nails into the door because then they would have to replace the whole door. Like you can't just fix a door like you can a wall. So I'm going to use command hooks and put my towels up. This is what the towel by my sink looks like. And then this is what the towel on my closet door looks like. Now I am organizing all of my compartments that I got. So I did get things like these from Amazon, and I'm just putting some cotton swabs in there. I'm putting hair bands, poly bands, and stuff like that in all of these. And then I'm going to organize my hair tools. I got this little stand-up hair tool thing from Target, so I'm going to put the ones that I use the most in here just because I think it's easier than looking through that, and then leave the ones that I use sometimes in that basket. And then under here, I did some of this the other night, but I have these two compartments from Amazon and this one as well. In this one, I'm just putting hair stuff and soap and stuff, and then this is like toilet paper and then cleaning products and tissues over here. So I'm just going to organize this and go through that really quick. Basically everything in my closet and then also under my sink, which I think looks really good. Now all I really have to do is decorate this shelf, and I also bought this mat from Amazon, and I think I'm just going to put it right here. I think that looks really cute for by the toilet area. One of the last things I have left is to decorate around the toilet and also on the top of my ladder and then just my sink area. So I got this from Target. It's a little basket, and I also found this plant from Target. So I think I'm going to put this plant in here and then put a roll of toilet paper in here and then put this on my toilet. I also do want to put a little spray in here as well, but I have to get one. So I'm thinking for now, if I just put a roll of toilet paper in here and then have this plant, that looks really, really cute. So I'm going to put this on my toilet, and then I'm going to decorate the little shelf.
My friend nostalgia, I found you when I heard the sweet sound of the ones who I once knew so well. In a voice memo from years ago, we were laughing about some nonsense. Oh, how I miss those friends.
I finished my bathroom and we are going to do a little tour. We are going to start with this because this is probably my favorite part. I'm literally obsessed. I turned off the light for a second just to show you guys how cute it looks when it's like not as lit. So starting on this shelf right here, this whole entire ladder is from Amazon, which I will have linked for you guys. I have these two books. These are both from Urban Outfitters, and this candle is also from Urban Outfitters. It smells so good. Then I have this little tray. This tray says Fragile on it, and I'm obsessed with it. It is from Urban. This is from a crystal store, and this is from Sarasota, Florida. My boyfriend found it on the beach and I love it. On this next shelf, I have this little cotton swab container. The container's from Target, and then these little labels are from Amazon. Then I have this picture of a turtle. I love turtles so much, and I got this from Cancun. Somebody actually handmade it and Chad bought it for me. And then I have a piece of coral, which is from At Home. Then on this shelf up here, I have a candle which I got for my birthday. I have a little statue that my mom got me for my birthday, and then I have tissues. This tissue rack is from Target, and I think it looks so cute on the shelf. I know it's a little high, but it's more for the aesthetic, and if somebody needs tissues, obviously I'll take it down. Coming down here, I always wanted to have a little basket on my toilet, so I got this basket from Target, and I think it's adorable. I have toilet paper in there, and then I also have this little plant, which is from Target, and I think it works perfectly in the basket. I am eventually going to get two little sprays that I can put right here, maybe like room spray or something. Then on this wall, so these are actually some of my favorite prints. So that first print, it says karma, and then it says when you use the last of the toilet paper without replacing it, and you're the next person to go to the bathroom, which I thought was kind of funny. And then I have this little print, which is from Amazon, and that's from Amazon as well. And the frames are 8 by 10, also from Amazon. Then over here, so I have these little towels that I told you guys about before. They are from Etsy, and I'm obsessed with them. Again, I got this idea from Fernanda Ramirez, but I think it is so cute. Then I have these like skincare slash hair care shelves. So the shelves themselves are from Amazon, and then I just have all different types of products that I use on them, and I think it looks so cute. Coming down here, I just have my scale, and then I have this bath mat, but I'm using it as a toilet mat, and it is from Amazon, and I literally love it. I have my little garbage can, which I think is from Amazon as well, and it's just pink, and then just like stuff to clean the the toilet as well. Now we're going to come over to my sink. So first, as you guys know, this is also from Etsy, and I put a command hook here and I just use it as a hand towel holder. On top of my sink, I have a little tray from Target, a soap dispenser which is from Amazon, and the soap inside of it is from Amazon as well, and it's the essential soap, and I literally love it. And then I have this little gold crystal thing which is from a crystal store. Then coming over here, I have this candle. This candle smells amazing. I have this tray from Etsy and then just some jewelry on top, which I am obsessed with. Under my sink, I have 2 of these containers which are from Amazon, and I just kind of put all cleaning products on them. So on the top shelf, there's cleaning stuff, and then my jewelry cleaner. On the bottom shelf, it's just like first aid stuff, and then also the soap that I use because it comes in a big bottle. Then I have extra tissues, and then I have this, which is extra like storage stuff. So I have toothpaste, deodorant, skincare, little clips. I have soap and stuff like that. Then I have a lot of toilet paper, and then just some like feminine products, but I think this turned out pretty good. This is actually really cool. I'm not liking the color of the toothbrushes, but I'm ignoring that for now because I don't want to buy new ones until I have to. But this is a kind of like toothbrush wall holder. It is from Amazon. And then I have my toothpaste in it. I have my hair stuff. I have my hairbrush, and then I have toothbrushes in there as well. And also this is something you can put your toothpaste in, and then you just put your toothbrush underneath it like this, and it dispenses the toothpaste for you, which I thought was so cute. Moving over to my shower. So my shower curtain is from Amazon, and so is the plastic thing behind it. As you guys saw, I have my 2 shelves, which are also from Amazon. I really like them. And then this razor, which is from Target. And then I just have all of my skincare and hair care on here, and I think it looks really cute. Then I have my stone mat. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I should have got a different color because it does get very dirty very easily, but it dries amazing and I do really like it. Then coming over here, I have this painting, which is from Amazon, and then this towel, which is from Target, and it has a little rope on it that makes it easy to put it on the command hook, and I thought that was great for when it air dries. Then in this closet, the top one is for beach towels because I have nowhere to store anything like that. Then I have my extra bath towels, my washcloths, and more washcloths back there. Then on this shelf, I am obsessed. So I got these little containers from Amazon, and I just put all different types of hair products and cotton swabs and beauty accessories in it, and I think it looks adorable. And then same over here, this is also from Amazon. These are hair headbands for when I'm washing my face. This is hair clips, and then I have these hair headbands as well. Then coming down here, I just have my extra like shower stuff and some products that I didn't want to put on my shelves, and then just some extra storage things for when I need it. Then I have all my hair tools. So I have the ones I don't use a lot, and then I have my Shark, which I use a lot, and then the ones that I use a lot like all the time for work, which is my curler, my crimper, and my straightener. And then down here, I just have all my medicine that I still have to organize and put in my medicine cabinet. That is what my bathroom looks like. I'm obsessed with it. I think it looks so good, and I don't think it could have turned out better. I really had a vision, and I'm glad that it turned out the way it did. There's just a few things that I do need to still get, like my room spray and some things for my shower. But other than that, it's pretty much done, and I am literally obsessed with it. Let me know what you guys think of my bathroom transformation. Stay tuned for all my other ones coming up soon. I still have a kitchen one that has to go up, and also a room tour that has to go up, and I think a vanity tour as well. But with that being said, if you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below and let me know what you think of my bathroom, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next one.